We still have a strong, I would say, top five. The Europeans, the Americans, the Japanese, and also to a certain extent, Korea and also Singapore. So this has been our traditional top five investors. Germany and all that, they take turns depending on the industry. But of late, some investment are also coming from China, because China, I think, has reached to a stage where their companies are going abroad to invest in areas of their interest. Of course, Malaysia would like to be part of the benefits, enjoy the benefit of this outflow from China. As you remember, during the WEF, Prime Minister of China announced that it's about 500 billion is coming out of China to go to various locations around the world for their strategic reason and strategic investment. Of course, Malaysia will also want to be the beneficiary, but of course, investment from China may not be all are relevant for Malaysia. But we will be, looking at what would complement Malaysia. For example, the regional headquarters, the services, distribution, and certain part of technology that Chinese actually have some edge in this market, in the regional market. There have been some interest from the Middle East as well. Of course, Middle East will be investing in areas where they are competent for Malaysia, to not only for Malaysian market, as well as for regional market. Manufacturing is still the backbone of Malaysia. Of course, when you talk about manufacturing, you need to have technology and capital. So that is why the main capital exporting countries with technology will still be coming to Malaysia, leveraging on the infrastructure that has developed over the years. Not only physical, but the human capital, the ability of Malaysians to manage their operations to serve international customers. And the government also is putting in the right policy and measures to move out the value chain, not only doing manufacturing but also into services, and create more pool of people to go up in the knowledge-based activities. We are involved in everywhere actually, but we are directly involved in the E&E, Greater Kuala Lumpur, in the healthcare sector, and also in the downstream of palm oil products and oleochemicals, the aerospace, the medical devices. Our people are everywhere, going in the NKEA steering committees. They are inside that committees to assist the committee in the implementation and try to look at what are the issues that will stop the investment from happening or will delay the investment. So we are working together across the board within the government. But directly that we are in monitoring is the E&E, the KPIs are with our minister. So, but notwithstanding that, there are many other steering committees within the NKEA that were involved. When it comes to investment, that's where we come in. Facilitating investment is one of our roles. If the investment requires approvals of license or maybe incentives, that will be our involvement. Actually, MIDA has been there for many years. It's like when at the inception, we will get involved with our projects or our investors. So we walk through with them through the approval process. And then from the approval process, we walk through with them until they are implemented. So it's a end-to-end kind of investment facilitation. So we have internal MIDA team and also the industry support division, and also our state officers who are directly dealing with the local authorities and state governments to facilitate and assist in the implementation of projects and all their investment. So in that sense, we are, very involved in the EPPs. Of course, we complement with our colleagues in Pemandu, in other ministries and agencies, because as you know, when you talk about one investment, it involves many government agencies, many stakeholders for us to look at. At the end of the day, we want to see the investment really happen.